How have you been, guys? How have you been? As for me, things have been going great. I've just been the ground hunting, and finally I've caught my antelope. When I started this channel, I didn't believe so much in me, but over the years that I've been with you guys, I've built that confidence. I've believed in myself much more than I earlier thought I believed in me. I've realized that everything you pursue, it's all about action, and it's also about your mindset. How much do you believe in what you are pursuing? I did believe that I could upgrade my channel to make it to this kind of quality. So when I started, I was just using something like a lamp. Let me just show you that lamp. So when we started the channel, this is what I was using to light up my studio. So when I put it on, this is the brightest light. Then we have this and also this kind of strobe light. So this is what I've been using for my channel, and it has served. I can't really complain much, but personally I wanted more. And in the pursuit of more, I've gone ahead and hunted for that thing that I actually wanted. So because my channel did have the light, so that the quality was kind of low, so I had to go lie low, just focus on me, focus on action, looking for the money, and the money came. And I've always said that the best place to invest in, or if you want to have some long-term goals with your money, the best place to put that money is in crypto. I did put my money into crypto, and if at all you are questioning or asking where did I put my money, it's Pionex. I've always talked about Pionex trading platform. Let me just put this thing away because it's not serving us now. We have the antelope herself. The antelope is home, and you can see it, the quality. And the quality, man. The quality. So I've always said that the best place to put your money is in crypto. Don't put your money in the banks. It's earning you nothing. So I put my money in Pionex, open trading boards, BTC futures, grid bot. That thing was dripping me money in terms of USDT. And also, as you know, the Bitcoin market has been exploding. We went from 60K. I was buying Bitcoin before even it reached 20K. I was just buying, and then putting into Pionex, we hit 100K, we hit 120K, 125K, and I still had the money just sitting in Pionex, bringing me grip. And finally, when that time came, today I believe is 16th of September 2025, I made a decision to go bring the light. And you can see the quality of the video. And if at all you thought that I had gone away from YouTube, I left YouTube. No, I didn't leave YouTube. I went to look for something that can make our channel a better channel. So because you have it now, be rest assured that more crypto content is coming your way. I'll be showing you how to win in this market. Personally, it's one for me. But all you still believe that crypto is a scam,